Meaning of exemplary.
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 Exemplary. The word exemplary can be used to describe something or someone that is an excellent example of a particular quality or characteristic. It implies that the subject is worthy of imitation, as it displays the highest level of excellence and serves as a model for others to follow. An exemplary result, therefore, is one that showcases exceptional performance and demonstrates an outstanding level of achievement. It represents the best possible outcome and sets a high standard for future performance. In short, calling something exemplary is a powerful way of complimenting its excellence and encouraging others to emulate it.